Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Here we go on another adventure. Our first stop is the Exxon on 206 on the way down to Atzian in Chemung, New Jersey, where you find this great piece of roadside America, Mighty Joe. Mighty Joe is set up in remembrance of the owners of this mini mart and gas station, their son, Joe, who was a bodybuilder and sometimes called Mighty Joe because of that. And this was put here in remembrance of him, and to look up into the sky and say, "We're thinking of you, Joe." Here we are traveling along the beautiful Moloka River. Up ahead is Crowley's Landing, picnic area and boat ramp. And here we are turning around because Maggie wanted to go ahead and take a look at Crowley's Landing and see what the picnic area looks like. Here we go, turning into Crowley's Landing. By the way, across the street is a State Forest campground if you'd like to stay overnight. It looks like this is only pay to use during the summer between Memorial Day and Labor Day. There's a fee for launching a boat, but I didn't see any fees for anything else. It's pretty much just a large parking lot. There's a few picnic benches, tables off to the right side, and straight ahead there are a few benches where you can sit out and look at the Moloka River. And on a day like this, a beautiful day like this, it's a really great spot to just sit down and take in nature. It's really easy to get to by car. Very enjoyable little park. So we came searching up this way near Warren Grove. This is between the Warren Grove Recreation Area and Bass River State Forest. We came up here searching for a little lake with a cabin off it that you were supposed to be able to legally hike out to. Abandoned for many years. We found an awful lot of water. As you can see, the steam coming from the engine worried me for a second. We came out this road. Here we are going back, but we came out this road and legit first time water up to the hood of the Jeep. Went into a puddle and it just tanked straight down. So checking the engine just to make sure there wasn't something in the puddle that we hit from underneath. We damaged something. We went through the first puddle, no problem, nice and slow, was pretty shallow. Did the same thing on the second, started through, and we got a little bit into it and it just went straight down. Thankfully we just powered right through it and came out the other side. So checked on the engine, make sure everything's good, no pops in the radiator or anything pulled off. There's just water in parts of the engine that hadn't gotten water in before and it was still burning off, evaporating. Thank goodness. We should be able to watch our tracks.
Which ones are our tracks?
The fresh ones. They went right down the middle there. think it was that one.
Wasn't it the first one?
No, definitely wasn't the first one. I think it was this one. Let's see which way we want to go here now. We went there, so I'll give this a shot and see. It's definitely deeper over there. This one wasn't a problem. This one's pretty solid, I think. You know, there was a time when I thought it was loads of fun to go blasting through mud holes and getting stuck in the mud and how exciting that would be. I got over that pretty quick. Now, I just like to drive down trails, you know, look at the beauty of nature, find hidden spots, hidden gems in the woods, the history of the area. I enjoy that a lot more than getting stuck these days. I don't hear any peepers. I don't hear any peepers. Must have been an actual fire.
What do you mean, recently?
Yeah, I guess. No green. So I think we're in Bass River State Forest here. And this is the section of pygmy pines. Their pine trees only get, you know, 6, 7, 8 feet tall. It's usually a really cool area. But it really sucks to see, you know, forest fire have gone through here. Looks pretty recent. Looks like fire lines dug out, still fresh. So decided to stop off and, you know, take a walk down one of the fire lines. See what we can see. Looks like this is the end of it up here. All green. Starting to get green. But for these pygmy pines, fire means rebirth. The only way their cones will open is during a fire, the intense heat, so that they can propagate. And that's about a wrap. It's a beautiful day out. We had a great time. So until next time, make it an adventure.